Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a new video. I hope everybody had a great holiday season and happy new year and all that good stuff. So starting this year, I decided that I was gonna revamp and redecorate some rooms in the house. I need a change, just clearing out the old vibes, the old juju, trying to get a nice fresh start and start a new chapter in my life. So I decided to tackle a couple of rooms in the house. I'm gonna do one room at a time. And so I decided to start in this bathroom that's downstairs in my house. I have 4 bathrooms, and so this is just one of 2 that I'm thinking about doing some things to. Well, anywho, what I want to do, and I think it will be fun, is to let you guys choose what is going to happen here in this bathroom. So I'm excited about this. As you can see, it is very dark. It has a dark, almost, I would call it a navy color on the wall. It's a beautiful color, but as you can see, it's just almost smothering. I don't know, but I want to keep it in the blue family. I am so not a blue person. Blue's not, I mean, I wore blue because I went to private schools my whole entire life, it seems like, or some form of blue, especially in high school. And I think that kind of burned me out. But anyway, I want to lighten up the blue. So I've chosen 4 colors that are in the same color family, same color range, but they're different shades of blue. They're a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna let you guys choose. I'm gonna post a pic of the colors, and then you can decide, and the one that gets the most votes will be the color that I put on the walls. I'm not gonna change the trim or the colors of the closet doors. As you can see, they're white. This is a door that goes outside right here, which I'm gonna, is rarely used. So I'm thinking about putting maybe a piece of furniture or something right here, something small or whatever. I haven't decided, but you guys are gonna decide on that as well. If I do, I'll pick out several pieces and let you choose and tell me which one you like the best, or if I should use it. Basically, you're just gonna decorate this for me because it's gonna be hard for me to do. All right, so I'm glad it's a nice sunny day outside, so you can actually see the color, the true color in here. And you see what I'm working with. It's fairly basic in here right now because I haven't done anything to it since I moved in, but yeah, so I've decided to go ahead and start. Well, anywho, you're looking at it. I'm giving you a tour as I talk. This is the sink area, vanity area, whatever you want to call it. There's a mirror that was here when I got here. So obviously this is just a regular old mirror that can be removed. And I'm sorry about the glare. Let me see if I can get over here and get you better without this light. Hey y'all. But anyway, yeah, that's the mirror. Let me see if I close this. This might be better. And I'll turn on the light. Okay, there we go. So, but yeah, that's the sink area. And of course, like I said, the mirror can be removed. It can be repurposed. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's the perfect size for here. So that may be an option. Again, I'm gonna let you guys tell me. Divider wall, of course, and then this is the toilet area over here, and I just have one of those over the tank shelves right here. That can be redone too. It can be painted or whatever, because I do need like storage, wall storage, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. So this can be repurposed, or I could add shelves. You guys could tell me. But again, toilet area. This is the wall right here that divides the toilet area from the shower, because there is a full shower in here as well. And there it is. So yeah, and then this is just the entrance. And then we have a big old wall right here behind the door. So that's the space, and that's my magazine rack that's overflowing. But with all my Time magazines. But yeah, this is the space, and it's a navy blue. Again, I'm not changing the trim. I don't want to do a whole lot of, I mean, I like painting, but I don't want to go through all that. I could roll this wall, tape it off, and do it in a small amount of time, but I don't want to change the trim or the door colors or anything like that. So yeah, this is gonna be fun and exciting. I'm gonna post a picture or add a picture in this video of the 4 paint colors that I've chosen. There'll be A, B, C, and D, and you can just choose whatever letter that you feel will be best in the space. And then, like I said, the one with the most votes shall be the color that I will use. And then what I will do is come back in another video and I'll have some accessories. I'll probably take pictures or get some pictures offline of some accessories that I'd like to put in here, or you could suggest some things and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I think this is gonna be fun. So you guys get to decorate this bathroom, and that's the floor. It's just a tile floor, neutral color. I have like yellow accessories in here because I kind of tried to do something last spring, and yeah, blue and yellow works real good together. So anyway, this color's got to go though, seriously. I mean, it's pretty, but I can't deal with it. So yeah, y'all, and then of course the ceiling is white, so that's all gonna stay. Trim door color white, so we're gonna choose a nice blue to go along with it, but a lighter shade of blue. So stay tuned for the paint colors and post your choice down below. And until the next bath redo video post, I will see you then. Bye y'all. Okay guys, here are your paint choices. They've just been labeled A, B, C, and D. And I have them on my kitchen table, so ignore that table runner. But I had to put them in here so you could get some true daylight on them so you could see the actual color. So here we are. And I'm just gonna kind of go over them all together so you can kind of see the differences if you can. And then I'll show you each one individually, and then I'll turn on the overhead light so you can see the differences. So here is A, B, C, and then there is D. And then I'll give you a picture of all 4. And once you choose, I'll give you the actual name of the color. I just figured the letters would be easier to choose. Just post whatever you like below. And what I'm gonna do is turn the overhead light on now, so stay right there, be right back. Okay, the overhead lighting didn't help much, just gave you a glare, but here are the colors with the light from above on. As you can see, it's shining. So again, there's A and B. C and D. And I'll show you all 4. So there are your choices, guys. So yeah, just post below. And once I upload the video, I guess I'm trying to get it done. So I say today is the 5th. So I guess by Sunday, I'll choose Sunday evening and let you know Monday the choice that you guys made. So the one with the most votes is the one that'll get it. So, or I'll use the paint that I'll use. So Yeah, just post below your choice and any other suggestions you may have, because like I said before, you guys are going to design or decorate the space. It's not a design space, it's just redecorating of that bathroom. So you guys are going to get to choose what goes in there. So yeah, let me know down below any ideas that you may have and your color choice, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.